Hi, welcome to DataSphere's new series. Is PostgreSQL replacing Oracle, SQLserver, and DB2 databases? Let us look into the fascinating facts of PostgreSQL DB. We'll start with the first fact. PostgreSQL DB is a hybrid database. So PostgreSQL DB is a hybrid database. It can accommodate two types of data. So being RDBMS, it can accommodate RDBMS data, and being placing itself as a strong NoSQL database, it can accommodate big data. In big data, it can accommodate operational big data. Now, when it comes to PostgreSQL DB, being RDBMS, it accommodates structured data, and also it can accommodate unstructured data, which is basically a big data, operational big data. Means because of this, it supports two type of broad division of data, RDBMS as well as NoSQL data. Now, when it comes to PostgreSQL DB, it accommodates three important type of data. One is RDBMS wise, it accommodates RDBMS data, which is structured data, which is considered structured data, and being a NoSQL database, which accommodates operational big data, it accommodates two most important type of data. One is document-oriented data in big data, which is considered as number one type of data, and it also accommodates key value pair data, which is considered as one of the important data for modern day applications where machine learning, gaming, and other applications are involved. Now, when it comes to PostgreSQL DB, it can accommodate RDBMS data, document-oriented data, and key value pair data seamlessly. Means without any additional software requirement, no additional software is required to be installed, no additional configuration need to be done. As if it is a native software, okay, native facility, it can be used to use all the three type of data. When it comes to three important type of data, RDBMS wise, we store data in the form of column and value in a table, and it forms a row. So we can have as many columns we need depending on the requirement, and for each column we can store the value. We can store the value depending on the data type that is being defined and the length is defined. It is the fundamentals of RDBMS where a row is created. Similar to that, when it comes to document-oriented data, a document comprises field and value. Field could be something like title, and the value can be PostgreSQL. Like this, we can have multiple fields with values, and a field can accommodate multiple values also. There's a field by name tags where we got multiple values comma separated. And when it comes to key value pair data, we can accommodate data sets where we go for key and value pair. We go for key and value pair where we can accommodate any number of key value pairs in a data set. When it comes to PostgreSQL DB, it has got feature of accommodating all the three data together in a single table itself. Assume that we got a table by name books in which you want to store books information. So we can go for RDBMS data in the form of serial number. We can store RDBMS data, and we can go for details about the books where it can be a document-oriented data, and we can go for it is available on a specific type of phone, which could be a key value pair data. So means all three type of data can coexist, which is supported by PostgreSQL DB without any additional software and configuration. Now it is capable of, PostgreSQL is capable of supporting RDBMS wise, it supports ACID, atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. And it supports transactions, a commit and rollback is possible. Supports SQL, where working with database, we use SQL with all those operators and functions. And concurrency mechanism is followed. Read will not block write transactions, write will not block read transactions. They can do independently. And two write operations cannot be done at a time on the same data. Whereas when it comes to NoSQL databases, does not support ACID. ACID is not supported. There's no transaction concept, only operations will happen. No SQL support, we need to go for database specific language, data specific language. No concurrency mechanism, read and write, they are independent of each other. But if two write operation happens, faster finger first, whichever does the first, it will complete. So these are the limitations of NoSQL databases. But using PostgreSQL DB, we can overcome these limitations because PostgreSQL DB is fundamentally RDBMS, placing itself as a strong NoSQL database. It has got capability to support ACID has RDBMS. Transactions, commit and rollback is possible. SQL is used for working with the data, and concurrency mechanism is followed similar to other RDBMSs. Write and read are independent of each other. Two write operations on same set of data is not allowed. They are allowed one by one. Is also extended for NoSQL data also. Indirectly, because PostgreSQL is RDBMS, indirectly we get ACID support for NoSQL data, transaction support for working with the data, and we use SQL with additional operators, and concurrency is extended for NoSQL data also. These are the capabilities of PostgreSQL DB, which is unique, comparing it with other popular RDBMSs like Oracle, SQLserver, and DB2. That is the reason it is becoming popular. So this is about fact 1. So watch out this space for next fact shortly. Thank you.